Okay.
My bike. 3, 2, 1. It's so wet. I can't get a good grip on it.
It sounded pretty great. Go
Sounded
down.
Cool, though.
Go down.
Again. Start again.
I'm going to.
Oh shit! Did I do time? No, I did slow
I'm still have it on. How was that experience for you?
Very noisy. Don't turn while going up on this bike.
All right. How about you do an outro?
It's your job.
Thanks. That's been another 155 Davis Adventure. See you on the flip side.
What the heck does